Time is the only non-renewable resource. You're burning daylight on admin tasks. Stop the grind. If you're an entrepreneur who spends half your day on email, data entry, and lead follow-up, you're not an entrepreneur. You're an employee with a terrible boss. Yourself, that's right, I said it. Listen, this is a big idea. AI agents. They are digital teammates that think, plan, and act across different apps. It's not a single prompt. It's a process. Forget basic ChatGPT prompts. We're talking about AI agents. These are AI employees you can hire today to execute complex, multi-step workflows, all on their own. They don't just write an email, they do the entire follow-up sequence. Imagine this. A new blog post goes live. An AI agent, let's call her the content crusher, sees the new post, writes 5 unique media captions, schedules them for the week, and then drafts your weekly newsletter summary. You just pay for the zap, and the agent does the work of a junior social media manager for pennies. Or let's talk about leads. When someone fills out your contact form, your lead hunter agent kicks in. It takes the name, searches the web for their company's recent news, updates your HubSpot or Airtable CRM with those details, and then writes a hyper-personalized first-touch email that makes you look like a genius. It's just like this, guys. This is the difference between a cold email and an email that feels like a conversation with a dedicated researcher. This is not futuristic. This is today. You're not paying that now has an AI brain. Your action step, go to Zapier Agents. Define your most soul-crushing repetitive task in plain English, like every time I get a receipt, log the date and amount in Google Sheets. That's all you need. Start with your worst hour of the week. That's your first hire. The era of busy work is dead. Go hire your first autonomous teammate today. Like and subscribe for more ways to scale your business without selling your soul. That's JRS, work smarter, not harder.